Hi everyone, welcome here, and today I am going to search some random things from Thingiverse and let's watch whether those 3D printed things actually work or not. So first I am going to print this pencil top wind turbine. As you can see, the turbine is ready. It takes near about 3.5 hours to print. The layer height is 0.2 mm. So first perform the mouth blow test. As I expected, either my lungs are too weak to spin it or it's a design flaw. So let's go to the outside and test whether it's spin in open environment or not. Now in the open environment, the wind turbine starts spinning as it should be. So it's a success. Now our second thing will be this photo studio stand. This photo studio definitely improves the picture quality, especially the background picture. So it's again a success. Now the third printable object will be this, the rocket launcher, or I can say the plane launcher. Now it's time for some honorary mention, like this mobile holder. Its gear mechanism got stuck during the printing process. And also this all are the print failure or byproduct of wrong slicing setting. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.